Do you want to know how you can disable the notifications of Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this one, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the notifications provided by Amazon Prime Video. I'm going to give you two different options. The first step is to locate Prime Video, tap on it, go to its settings, and then go to notifications. If you simply click on it, you will disable all of the notifications. And the second option is to go to Prime Video. Then tap on your profile on the top right hand side, go to your settings, and you can see notifications. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see that there are a lot of notifications. Some of the notifications are downloads, watch list and library, recommended for you, new app features and special offers. You can individually turn this off from here as well, or else you can just tap on the first one, which is allow notifications, and all of the notifications will be turned off. So guys, these are the two ways you can disable the notifications provided by Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.